In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your camera app, and here you've got timer icon smoothly marked, and now select the period of time, so it can be 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds. Okay, I didn't mark it, 10 seconds, and now click here to grab a photo. As you can see, at first you will see the countdown, and afterwards the picture will be taken. And that's it, it has been done. Then whenever you would like to deactivate the timer in your camera, click on off, and now as you can see, it will be done without any delays. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.